Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a piano teacher and the founder of the online rock lessons Piano Academy. Today I'm going to teach you 3 arpeggio exercises that you can use to push your techniques. So to keep it very simple, we're going to be in the key of C major, so we're going to use the C major scale. As we remember, the C major scale has no sharps or flats, it's only the white keys here. The first one is going to be the classic arpeggios with 3 notes. So the C major arpeggios is going to be C, E, G, and C. And we're going to do that for 2 octaves. So instead of stopping here, we're going to pass the thumb. And this is where the techniques is going to start working, because we're going to work on the thumb here. Just like that. So that's for the right hand. It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 5. On the left hand though, we're gonna have 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, and 1, and you go back. That's simple. Only when you're comfortable with that, you can do that both hands. Up and down like this. Always make sure that you pass the fingers and as discreet as possible. It's just very small movement if it's possible. Now, you have to practice that with a metronome, so you can add a metronome at like 100, play quarter note, just to keep a beat behind that. You can also play that with a drum loop if you're more of a rocker and you want to have fun with that. All right, now let's do the same thing, but on G major scale. It has 1 sharp, it's F sharp right here. So the arpeggio of G is G, B, D, and G. And if we do 2 octaves, we start again here. It's the same fingering as in C major. On the left, just like that. And both. So you need to be practicing that very slowly at first, separate, and then you can put both hands. Alright, now the second exercise, we're going to be adding the major 7, and this is where your technique is going to be working a little bit more. So, the major 7 of C is B here. So, right here you can see that my hand needs to be very open and stretch a little bit. We're going to be doing that for 2 octaves again. So, 1, 2, pass here. It's a very good exercise for stretch and precision and so many other things. For the right and for the left. And both. And just like that. All right, so let's do that on G major. The G major 7 is going to be F sharp. So we have a bigger stretch to do. Like this. And the left. What about both? And there you go. All right, and now the last exercise I want to show you, we're going to be moving through 4 different chords. So we're going to be using the C major 7, then we're going to go to C minor 7, C minor 7 flat 5, and C diminished. And so basically you can transpose all these exercises on all the keys you're working on. So make sure that you do that every time you're learning a new scale. Try to do the arpeggios just like that. So for this one, we're only going to stay on 1 octave because we don't want to be moving that much with the hand. So it's going to go like this. So C, E, G, B, and C. And we go down. So major 7, minor 7, minor 7 flat 5, and diminish. Left hand, same thing. Minor, flat 5, diminish. Both hands. And there you go. So you make sure that you add some metronome with that only when you're comfortable with the exercise. Let's do that on G major. So we have G major with the sharp here. So major 7, minor 7, flat 5, and diminish. Left hand. And both. And there you go. Alright, so there you go. You have 3 amazing arpeggio exercises to work on your technique. And if you want to push further on that, you can watch my next video right here. It's gonna help you get even better. Alright, I'll see you there.